Hello friends, I'm bringing another video for you here about fish.
Fun fish. The world is full of fun and colorful fish. Fish are fun to watch. This fish, striped, red, and white, has flowing fins and sharp spines. Swim along, lionfish, swim along. This bumpy fish swallows water or air when it feels scared. It puffs up into a big, round ball. Swim along, puffer fish, swim along. This amazing fish looks like it has a beak. This fish can change its color. Swim along, parrotfish, swim along. This smooth, flat fish can have a black dot on its side. The dot looks like an eye. Swim along, butterfly fish, swim along. This fish has freckles. It changes colors as it gets older, but the freckles always stay. Swim along, freckled hawkfish, swim along. Brightly colored, this beautiful fish has wavy lines of orange, blue, and green. Swim along, mandarin fish, swim along. Fun and fantastic fish are found all over the world. Swim along, fun fish, swim along.
Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this small video about fish. This is very relaxed. Thank you friends. See you next video.